my YouTube channel, to the very first video of 2023. Today I have a H&M haul. Basically, I needed some basic pieces for this summer from H&M. I went ahead and ordered them, some from in-store and some online. What I will do today is show you all of these pieces, just a couple of ways to style them, just to give you an idea. And then next week I have something exciting coming. I've bought a couple of pieces from Pauline Paris, and I've got a couple of other luxury items. So next week's video is going to be about that. But for now, let's start with the H&M haul, and I'm really excited. Let's go. This is everything I've bought from H&M. This is obviously from in-store, and these two parcels are my online deliveries. I'm going to open them up and show you exactly what I bought. So, oh, jeez. So I'll open the first tiny parcel. I ordered some really basics and a couple of gym things as well. So let's open all of them. So the first item that I bought is this stunning classic linen shirt. I bought it in an oversized size large. I couldn't find the shorts in the store, so I ordered matching shorts online. There's nothing like a matching cord set. I've got a white set, but it's with a half sleeve shirt and a quite fitted style. So I wanted something loose and more comfortable for that I'm wearing, but also style it up with, you can wear it some heels, nice little bag, or you could dress it down again for a brunch, as you can see in the cutaway, with your, stunning sports shoes, or, God, I can't think. Your Nike. I'm wearing my Nike Air Force. And so I would wear that with a casual crossbody bag, just to sort of make it more edgy and like more me. Yeah, so that's the first, couple of items that I bought. Let's move on to the next one. I've had to put my hair up. It is so hot here in Melbourne today. It's like 33 degrees. According to the UK, it's a heat wave, like a massive heat wave. Anyway, getting back into the outfits. This is the second set that I bought, a very cute linen set. I love neutral pieces. They're so cooling, so easy to dress all year round, and I can just mix and match it with my colorful pieces, or sort of elevate it by using like cooler, more edgy accessories. But for this instance, I've again shown it to you, like you can see in the cutaway, with it just dressed in a very casual way, which is what I would do 90% of the time. Wear it with slides, or wear it with my Air Force sneakers, or just any other white pair of sneakers. Put on a basket bag or a crossbody bag, you get the gist. But very versatile, love a linen set in summer. Let's move on to the next one. Now, I've also ordered a couple of t-shirts. So I've got this really beautiful linen t-shirt, which if you see in the cutaway, what I've done is I've worn it with the two shorts that I've ordered, just to give you an idea. And also, with the shorts that I'm wearing, if I was to just tuck it in, it's such an easy t-shirt to wear. I would probably wear this all year round, probably even in winter, because I like to layer in winter, and this would go great under a blazer or a coat, or just even like a jumper. So quite a lovely, versatile piece for summer. Nothing, amazing or groundbreaking about it, but I love a good t-shirt. And the other one is a print tee. Now, by the way, I will put all the size references in the description down below, just so you know the prices, the size, and the links to everything. If I can't find anything, I will link an alternative piece. Getting back into it, I absolutely love graphic tees, and I've been obsessed, like everyone else, with these sort of t-shirts from Zara and H&M. I live in them, I wear them pretty much every second day. They are great all year round. I keep harping on the same thing, but whenever I invest, I make sure I invest with the mindset I will be able to take a lot of these pieces into different seasons. Obviously there are certain pieces that are seasonal, like your shoes, for instance. I probably wouldn't be wearing my slides in winter. However, when it comes to garments, you can try and be more mindful and intentional when you buy it. And that's what I try and do with a lot of the pieces that I buy. I know I will be able to wear this with jeans, with leather pants, so much more in winter. But for summer, as you can see in the cutaway, I've styled with the shorts that I have purchased. And again, you can easily wear it with the shorts that I'm wearing. Denim shorts, denim skirts, you name it, so much more you can wear this with. All right, let's move on to the next one. The third casual top that I bought is this cute little vest that, you know, it's this ribbed material. Let me bring it closer just so you can see. That's the detail. And yeah, this again is a piece I will probably wear all year round. I had a couple of pieces like this from Zara that I wore to death and they just don't look that good anymore. I've probably had them for about 4 years and I think it was time to let them go. So I'm trying to sort of like slowly build a replacement with better pieces. Now, I can't afford all expensive pieces, so I do mix and match with some from H&M, Zara, and then some from Farfetch and like other brands that I'm slowly sort of trying to build towards. But this is a great piece to have in your wardrobe because you can dress it casually or, you know, in a more formal way. You can wear it under the shirt like I'm wearing, just have a more like the white shirt. As you can see the cutaway, I'm wearing it under the white shirt. But in winter, or like if you want to make it more professional, you can easily wear this with a skirt, trousers, and have a blazer on. So quite a versatile piece. Again, nothing groundbreaking, but these are like the important pieces that are there in my casual wardrobe that I wear time and time again. 90% of the pieces in my wardrobe are pieces like this, and then 10 to 15% are pieces that have more character that I sort of mix and match with these. All right, I've got a couple of pieces that I've ordered for gym. So what I've done is I've got my old H&M gym shorts. So what I'll do is I'll just wear with the biker shorts, just wear them and show it to you so that you can get a feel for what I would do. I actually even wear my gym tops and shorts like casually. So there's no rule as to how you want to wear it. But yeah, this is the first gym top that I have got. Very, very simple. I have something similar in another color and I love that it's oversized, it's loose, and I actually wear this with jeans and a shirt over it as well a lot of times. Like if I'm going straight from the gym somewhere else, I'll just chuck on a shirt, put a pair of jeans on. But for this instance, in the cutaway, as you can see, I've worn this with my black shorts from, like the biker shorts from H&M. Very easy piece to dress. I can easily wear it with my Air Force and make it casual, or wear it with my trainers and go to the gym. The next item is exactly the same, but in a white. So again, highly worn piece in my wardrobe. I go to the gym 4 to 5 times a week, so I desperately need these. I do love the little detail at the back. So as you can see, it's got this slightly mesh material at the back, which is really nice. It's breathable. The fabric is great, it dries really easily, so I highly recommend if you're looking for affordable gym gear. I literally, like obviously if you've gone to the gym, you do throw it in the wash straight away, so I find buying pieces like this is great because you can just chuck it in the wash without the worry that you're going to ruin them and you don't have to hand wash. So really, really lovely piece. Now I've just got a couple more pieces. They are exactly the same but just different colors. They are my summer robes. Before I went to London, I got rid of all of my robes because when I was moving, I had worn them a lot. I still have one in exactly waffle material in a pink, but it's somewhere in my storage and I can't seem to find it. So I decided I'll just get a couple of waffle bathrobes. Now I wear this obviously when I take a shower, but I also wear it when I'm getting dressed, when I'm doing my hair. It's a really lovely piece. I tend to live in a bathrobe pretty much all morning. What I'm going to do is I'll just take my shirt off and I'll wear this and show it to you. I don't need to do a cutaway for a bathrobe, but just to give you an idea what they look like. So I'll be back in a second. So this is my bathrobe. I got a large, I got a large, extra large. The previous one I had was a small medium, which was fine. But I do want a bit more room. So this is what it looks like. And I also have a steel charcoal grey in this. Genuinely love these bathrobes from H&M. Pretty sure I saw it on sale like yesterday, so I was kicking myself that I bought it without sale, but you know what, it's still worth it because I remember how much I wore my last one. But yeah, this is the last piece. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know which pieces you like more. If you'd like me to style them in different ways. I am thinking about doing a series of styling videos. As a personal stylist, I just don't want to show you shopping videos or like, you know, the bags I've bought or the shoes I've bought, but to actually show you more styling content. So this year I am hoping to do a lot more of that. So next week I've got my exciting purchase from Pauline Paris and a couple of other luxury items. But the week after that, I am hoping to start my styling series, so stay tuned, share the word with your friends and family, anyone who's looking to discover their personal style. I will be sharing a lot more knowledge and advice on personal style, how to discover it, how to sort of hone into it. If you are working in a certain profession or you want to get to a certain profession, how do you do this? There is so much more that I'd love to share with you, and I'm only just getting started. I hope to see you next week. Have a lovely afternoon, day, night, wherever you might be. Take care. See you guys next time. Bye.